I've invested a lot of money in software and systems to grow my YouTube business. And even though not every one has been a wise investment, there are a few tools that have really helped me save a lot of time and money. So, in this video, I want to share with you 5 essential tools that I recommend every new YouTube business owner gets if they want to grow a YouTube business. Hi, it's Steve from It Makes Sense, where we give you the tools, the tips, and the strategies so you can start a YouTube business because it just makes sense to have time and financial freedom. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And in this video, I want to share with you 5 tools that every beginner YouTube content creator needs to build a successful YouTube business. And if you stick to the end, I will share with you 2 other bonus programs that can really skyrocket your business. And there will be links down below in the description for all the tools that we discuss on this video. So the first tool that you're going to need is a website. And this is a place where people can find out more about you, more about your business, and what kind of content you produce, as well as a place where you can redirect people to buy your products or services. Essentially, a website is a home base for you and your business. Now, I'm not suggesting that you write a blog unless you want to, but it's a great place to also put your videos, and it gives you another way for people to find your content online. And for beginners, I recommend Bluehost because it's cheap, it's very easy to get up and running, and I have it for my own website. I have it hosted on Bluehost, and it's perfect for doing what I need it to do. Support is great. I never have a problem or issue with downtime. It's really beginner friendly. However, if you want to build a more complex website and have a larger budget, then I recommend WPX hosting. And I have another website for my bricks and mortar, and I house that site on WPX. The customer service is amazing. They were even able to take my old website and migrate it to WPX in less than 24 hours. They fully manage my site, meaning if I get hacked or have downtime, their support fully covers it, which is important for this business because this specific business really relies on the website for operations. So a website, in my opinion, is a must-have for you and your YouTube business. All right, tool number 2 is equally important, if not more important, and that is an email platform. If you've watched any of my other videos, then you know that I believe you truly don't have a business unless you have an email list. Let's face it, YouTube graciously allows us to post videos on their platform to build our business. But that's the point. It's their platform, not ours. Any marketing channel that hosts your content, whether it's YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or even this potential upcoming ban on TikTok, if those platforms go away, we lose our ability to stay in contact with our customers. That is unless we have an email list to let our customers know where to find our new content. With an email platform, you can build out automated email sequences that go out to your list to help promote your new content, provide value to your subscribers, build a relationship with them, drive revenue through sales, and just stay in contact with your customers. And I've tested out a lot of different email platforms, but the one I love, use, and recommend is ActiveCampaign. It's very inexpensive to start, and in my opinion, it's very easy to learn and use. And as you grow your business, ActiveCampaign will scale with you as it has a whole variety of features and tools that you can use. However, if ActiveCampaign isn't right for you, another program that I use is GetResponse. And although I don't find it as powerful as ActiveCampaign, it still has a lot of great features and is more friendly towards affiliate marketers when compared to ActiveCampaign. Now, I have a whole email course that I put together, and I will leave a link in the description below where you can access it for free. And in there, I go over both ActiveCampaign and GetResponse and how to use both with your YouTube channel to grow your email list. Hey, really quick, if you're getting value from this video, please hit that thumbs up and leave me a comment down below what tool you think is necessary for your YouTube business. All right, tool number 3 is an awesome Chrome and Firefox plugin called Keywords Everywhere. And this tool allows you to find keywords for your YouTube videos. This tool is so powerful and extremely inexpensive. I think it might cost like $10 every other month, but it's one of the tools that I use to find keywords for my videos, rank my videos, and drive traffic to my videos. I use this tool when I'm doing my research for my next video because it shows me how many searches there are per month for our particular keyword. And this is important because it helps me find keywords that people are interested in learning about more, because it doesn't make sense to create a video if no one is looking for that content. And like I said, even though it's not free, I think it's, like I said, $10 for 100,000 searches. It saves me a lot of time during the research phase of my video creation. And you can even turn it off when you aren't doing keyword research so you don't burn through your allotted searches. Tool number 4 is another Chrome extension called Tubebuddy. Now, Tubebuddy is a Chrome plugin that you can use to help you do keyword research, optimize your videos to rank in YouTube search results, as well as a tool that helps you organize and optimize your channel as a whole. Now, this tool, along with Keywords Anywhere, are the two tools you need to do your research before you script, record, edit, and post your videos, because combined together, they will help you properly optimize your videos so you have the best chance of showing up at the top of both the YouTube search results as well as the Google search results. And when you are higher in the search results, the greater the chance you have of getting views, which means more subscribers, more watch time, and that will lead to explosive channel growth. TubeBuddy has different pricing plans, but if you are just getting started and you have less than 1,000 subscribers, I think the Pro plan runs at $450 a month, and that plan is just fine, especially if you're just getting started. But if you really want to get crazy with your YouTube research, I also recommend another Chrome extension called vidIQ. And in my opinion, if you have Keywords Everywhere, a paid version of TubeBuddy, and the free version of vidIQ, you have everything you need to set you up for YouTube success. And I have a playlist where I talk more about YouTube optimization and how to use these tools. And I'll leave a link in the card above where you can go watch those videos after this video. Tool number 5 is a video editing software, and the one I recommend is Camtasia. Now, you can get away with using free video editing software, but in my opinion, Camtasia is the most beginner-friendly software program on the market. And it's not only a video editor, but it also has its own screen capture software, which allows you to easily film and create videos where you're sharing your computer screen. And with Camtasia, you can easily edit videos, you can add transitions, you can create titles and animated graphics, you can add and edit music and sound, you can produce special effects like screen blurs, color correction, cursor effects, and even do green screen effects. And I've tried many free video editing softwares like iMovie, Lightworks, and Blender. And Camtasia is a bit on the pricey side at the time of this recording. I think it's $240, but in my opinion is well worth the cost because it really helps you produce amazing looking videos quickly and effortlessly. And I have a full Camtasia tutorial you can watch, and I will leave a link down below in the description. Now, if you really want to take your YouTube business to the next level, another tool that I highly recommend is a tool that will help you build a sales funnel. And the specific program that I recommend is a program called ClickFunnels. If you don't know what a sales funnel is, it's basically the process you take your customer from the first contact with you all the way to buying your product or service. And the best example of a simple sales funnel that I can give you is Netflix. Now, you've probably seen their ads on TV, social media, on the web, etc. And if you click on their ad, on their link, and you go to their website, it's a very simple homepage that tells you about the service and how you can sign up for a 30-day free trial. So you give them your email address and sign up. Along the way, they email you, tell you more about the service. You fall in love with the programming, and at the end of the 30 days, you sign up for one of their plans. And that is an example of a really simple sales funnel. And ClickFunnels will help you build a very simple sales funnel like Netflix, all the way to a more complicated membership site where you can have your own paid for course. And like I said, this isn't essential to start a YouTube business, but I do think at some point you will want to invest in a sales funnel builder, even if it isn't ClickFunnels. There are others like Builderall, Kartra, and DropFunnels, but most successful YouTubers have some sort of back-end sales funnel program that helps them grow their business. Finally, the last tool that I recommend isn't necessarily a tool, but training to help you build a successful YouTube business. Let's face it, YouTube can be daunting and sometimes a little overwhelming, especially as a beginner. And there are many great courses out there, and there are some not so good ones because trust me, I've tried them all, but there are two that I recommend. The first course is specifically geared to help you build a YouTube channel, and this course is called Video Ranking Academy. And it is hands down the most comprehensive course that will teach you everything you need to know about YouTube. It's created by Sean Cannell of Think Media, and it will give you a step by step guide to start and grow your YouTube channel. Sean has built several successful YouTube channels, but his Think Media channel has over 1 million subscribers, and he and his team know the ins and outs of this crazy platform. And if you want to check out his course, I will leave a link in the description below. The second course I recommend will teach you how to use affiliate marketing to make money from your channel, even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours for YouTube ad revenue. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it is basically where you find a product or service that you really like and use, and you sign up for their affiliate program. They give you your own affiliate link when you sign up, and if someone buys that product or service through your affiliate link, you earn a small commission. And I've put together a whole video explaining what affiliate marketing is and the course I recommend in this video right here, so go check that out. Or if you don't want to watch that video, go watch this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.